Okay, so if I was a farmer, what would be the first steps that I needed to take for my animals to become traceable?
So the first step, we had to build a foundation. So I think hopefully everybody knows about this. So the first thing is just to create a profile on the RMIS platform. And while going through the process to create the profile, you need to identify where your farm is. I think that's the first step, is whether it's the registered name with the Surveyor General, whether it's the name that's at the farm gate, or whether it's a GPS coordinate somewhere on the farm or not on the farm. That's where we started. Is just to put a geofence around a production unit, which is your farm, and to issue a standard number to that location. And the only reason for that is when we refer to locations, whether it's farms, communal land, auction houses, feedlots, or abattoirs, we can refer to a number, and it's a standardized number, meaning everybody refers to the same location, and there can't be spelling mistakes or typing errors and stuff like that.